Okay, quick trading recap on MRVL. This is a trade from Thursday. Big picture MRVL, huge run up, holding these high levels over here, support at 265, and perhaps a roll lower to fill the gap to 225, or push higher. SPY big picture, as we know, huge run up. Also, perhaps looking for this roll down, or maybe push higher above 740 resistance to close the gap to 745. Um, anyway, MRVL in the open held this pre-market level of 265. Was not able to break through it. That was a low level from day before, from Wednesday. We tried to reclaim VWAP, struggled, eventually reclaimed. It went sideways. At that point, it was creating a nice cup and handle pattern. I saw this candle over here that I like to treat as a more bullish indicator, as like a hammer a bit more. Anyway, it broke below first before it went higher. Usually, if this was a hammer, I would try to risk off of this hammer over here and just take it. But the fact that it actually hit the stop losses, so to speak, first and then went higher, I really liked it. I took it. Took it right over here at the break of the candle. Perfect fill would have been 269.30. I got filled really at 47. Not the best fill in the world, but once I saw that this wick broke, I decided I'm actually going to risk off of this wick. This was so an 80-cent risk instead of 40. Took 5 shares, so wasted about $5, and the stock went. Usually I take my profit at a break of a high, but I saw the pre-market high over here was not too far away at 273. And at the same time, the SPY was doing the same thing and holding higher very nicely. So MRVL then decided to continue. When I saw it's about to push higher, I took off my stop loss. Because in Robinhood, you can't have a stop loss and profit target at the same time. It's getting ready to take my profits. It broke 273, and I took my profits. In hindsight, feel like a genius, because it didn't continue. But I just felt like once it breaks an important resistance, um, it's likely to pull back. Happens to be a pullback a lot, and I would have been stopped out. But yes, generally speaking, when I'm at 3, 4R, then I'm happy to take everything off. I don't go for home runs so much anymore. And yeah, best part of the trade is that I had a hard stop in the system, as I usually do for all my trades nowadays. And I know I was risking exactly 80 cents and got more than 4R on this trade, made about $20 and risk about $5. And yes, always paying attention to where price is compared to VWAP. Is it holding? Is it rejecting? And looking at the very closely at the candle stick pattern, looking for those dojis and hammers that make sense wherever they are to risk off of. And yeah, hard stops in the system as always. That was my favorite part about this trade. Just very calm, not scared. Maximum, I get taken out for $5 loss. All good. I know the system will take me out, and I don't have to make a decision on the fly in the moment. And yep, that was a trade.